delivering today on the inauguration of the Igbo Youth Organization. Today is the 24th day of November 2001. Please, let me have your attention, please. The Nigerian ambassador to Spain, his representative, my fellow presidents, my Lord spiritual and temporal, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it was last year that the idea of forming this association was conceived. Those of us living here in Valencia before that time had observed with keen interest the influx of people from other cities into Valencia. Then arose the need to bring everyone into one family. I was referred with you. The task of forming an association is anything but simple. We thought day and night, convincing people to attend meetings. We shifted from one venue to another. Our first major step was to set up an interim government. Our people made a very wise decision. They chose me as the interim president and John Edom as the interim secretary. After some time, they made the wiser decision. I was made the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee and John Edom the secretary. I think the wisest decision was in December 2000. After a keenly contested election, I won the presidency and John Edom became the secretary. So somebody class for this presidency. The Igbo people are known for their oneness and unity. We have a wise saying that one day the number. Our literalists are translated, be our brother's keeper. We have always believed that united we stand and divided we fall. We are hoping that one day, in no distant time, we will have a Nigerian association in Valencia. We have specially prepared for everybody those delicacies Igbos are known for. Our musicians are on standby to make you happy. I hope you are going to have a small time being here today. Once again, I say welcome to everybody.
You will win. I hear everyone. On behalf of everyone on your back, I have represented 350,000.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please let me correct myself. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Anthony Fume Osula.
It looks ethnic. We don't see it that way. We don't see it as an ethnic thing. We see it as something here for the development of our great country. We see it as a path and parcel of needle. For those who are not aware of it, there is an association called NIDO, Nigerians in Diaspora, recently formed, and is the pure baby of Mr. President Olusegun Obasanjo. So I am not here only to rejoice with the Igbos. I see your activity as part of our effort to bring all Nigerians in the whole world together for the purpose of developing our dear country. About 20 years ago, people were running away from Spain. 20 to 25 years ago, people were emigrating from there. But today, no more. Instead, people are running to Spain. Today, unfortunately, we are faced with a situation whereby our people appear to be running away. But I'm sure you will run away today. Tomorrow, your country will become a place where people will run to. So, ladies and gentlemen, I will not want to take too much of your time. This is just an association of Igbos. We have others. Ebelon Oduduwa of the Yorubas. I am from Edo State, from Benin. I have not heard yet about the Edo Association. Well, all these associations should not be units of Obasanjo's conception of Nigerians in diaspora. For the purpose, well, make the country great. Let people running to you, not around. Like I said, 20 to 5 years ago, we were emigrating from Spain. Today, people are coming in and they are tackling all their borders. So, I would like to opportunity Ambassador to not come. I should apologize to you, but he has tried for at least making me to come and be with you. For those who do not know about the Association for Nigerians in Diaspora, I seek this opportunity to inform you
Sorry, I have to kind of speak English for a while. I'm very happy to be here. Like you all know my name. I live in Hanover, Germany, and I'm here for this occasion. I appreciate it all in the unity here. And I believe that's what we need in this present moment as Nigerians. I quite appreciate some speech made by the chairman and the president of the UAE, and also saliently from, I don't know all of you, my name is Tony, from the embassy, the United States and I am so happy that a situation like